How to turn on captions on YouTube app. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can turn on captions on your YouTube app. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. First step, open up your YouTube app. Then search for anything that you want. So you can find anything that you want to watch. I'll just head over to something random from here. Let's say music. So from here, choose anything that you want to watch. So let's say this. Now, after you've opened up a YouTube channel, a YouTube video, what you can do is tap on this CC option that is on the top of your YouTube. Doing that will turn on your subtitles for you. And if you watch a video, you'll find the subtitles looking like this. If you want to change your subtitles, you can long press on the CC option where you'll find the off button and auto translate as well. So in some videos, you'll find subtitles for other languages as well. This is not available in this video, but yeah, you can long press on the CC option and you can find the languages available as well. And that's how you turn on caption on YouTube app. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more upcoming videos and bye bye. Take care.